So now let's speak about offers. So once you click on offers, we spoke about games. Now we are speaking about offers, the offerings that they are going to give you. Once you click on offers, this is the page that you are going to land on. As you guys can see that there's a joypad again. So meaning that many offers are based on playing games. So the majority of this app, you can be able to make a lot of money by just playing games. That's why I emphasize the fact that you need to refer it to your or delegate it to your children. So there are three things that you need to be aware of. Number one, choose a type of offers. So they are going to give you multiple offers that you can choose amongst them. So all you need to do is to choose the one that you prefer, the one that you are going to enjoy and make some extra cash. And then number two, it says find an offer you like. You need to find the offer that you really like I said right now a few seconds ago. And then number three, complete the task and earn up to 50,000 points each. So each and every offer that they are going to offer you, you can earn 50,000 points. So right now we just have to click on continue. Once you click on continue, as you guys can see that they say earn more sweeps mode points and sweep mode points by playing fun games and engaging with your favorite brands. So all you have to do is to press start. Once you press start, you can see that it says pick a fun game offer. So you need to pick a game that you are going to enjoy. And then below it says we highlight the most popular games that reward the most users with the most sweep mode points. So they are going to reward you a lot. So if you choose these categories of offers, there are multiple games that you can choose by that are going to make you or give you a lot of points compared to when you go straight to games. So I will say if you want to play games, don't go straight to games. You can earn more points, but it is very important to maybe consider offers, because offers are offering a lot of points compared to playing games. And then when we click on next, this is what you are going to land on. It says tap on play to use game of the day, popular games, games by category. All you have to do is to play next, and then thereafter is the page that you are going to land on. So this page, they tell you what to do. As you guys can see that it says what to do. But if you check down below right there, it says follow the instructions. So you need to follow the instructions so that you can earn points. Majority of people are really trying these apps, but they don't follow the instructions. And then thereafter they come back and say this apps doesn't work. It really works. What you need to do is to follow the instructions. Once you follow the instructions, then everything is going to be proper. You are going to earn points. If it's a money cash app, you are going to earn money. So it says read the rules. Most games reward new players only. So if you are a new player, majority of games are going to favor you because they are going to reward you for the fact that you are new on this app. And then thereafter it says if you have never played it and the game sounds fun, download, open, play and earn some cash. So it explains itself. Right now we just have to click on next. Once we click on next, that's when you are going to come across multiple games that they are offering on this app. As you guys can see that they are giving an estimation of points that you can earn when you play these games. So you can go through them and check which ones you like, or you can go through them and refer them to your children to choose whatever the game that they want and then upload it and earn some cash. Another way that you can make money by just using this app is to fill in the surveys, is to complete the surveys. So there are three things that we need to check out. So number one, they say choose a type of surveys. So you need to choose the type of surveys that you prefer. Maybe a sports survey, and maybe a game survey, or maybe a news surveys, whatever the case may be. You need to choose your type of surveys that you wanna fill in according to your what you like or what you prefer. And then number two, it says answer the questions about yourself to unlock surveys. So if you guys have been filling in the surveys or doing the apps that I've said that you can make money by just doing surveys, you know that the first thing you need to answer questions about yourself and then earn some extra cash. After that, that's when you can be able to go and explore other surveys. But the first thing you need to answer according to yourself. What's your name? Where do you come from? And all those stuffs. And then you are going to earn money. After that, that's when you are going to choose which surveys do you want: a sports survey, game survey, news surveys, politician surveys, whatever the case may be. And then number 3, it says complete different surveys to earn up to 4,500 points each. So this one is a bit lower compared to the offers, as you guys can see, but then you can also do it. And then down below it says continue. We just have to press continue. Once you press continue, this is the page that you are going to land on. Then you are going to start any surveys. So as you guys can see, there's no lot of surveys because I've done some. If there's not a lot of service, you need to make sure that your notification bell is on, so that if there's any survey, you are going to get notified. Another way on how to make money using this app is to get deals. So if you guys can check down below, number 4, it says deals. Once you press that deal, you are going to land on this page. So right there on this page, it says get deals, discounts, and save real cash. You can be able to save real cash when you are using this app. That's why I really like this app, because it is so versatile. You can do multiple things only on one app. And then below it says get the best deals, free cash offer from top brands. You can get big offers according to the top brands. The one brand that I once get an offer is a Nike brand. So it's top tier. They are working with big brands. They are working with McDonald's. Those big brands, they are really working it. So you can get offers or maybe save some cash. So if you check down below, it says get your first deal. So once you press on your first deal, this is the page that you are going to land on. So you just have to go through them and check the best deal that you want and then maneuver around it. So you can go through it. I won't go through it. Another way to make money using this app is actually by watching videos. By just watching videos, just like you watching this video right now, you can make money using this app by just watching videos like that. So right, number 1, it says wait for a video to load. You need to wait. Don't skip the videos. You need to wait for the video to load. And then number 2, it says watch it and get points. So once you watch it, you are going to get points according to how long the video is. And then number 3, it says no video, check back later. So that's why I said to you, you need to make sure that your notification bell is already on. So once there's videos, once there's surveys, once there's games to play, once there's offers, they are going to notify you so that you can come and watch video, do surveys, whatever the case may be. So now we are speaking about watching videos. If there's no video, just come back later. They will offer you some videos to make money. So down below it says continue. All you need to do is to press continue. As you guys can see now, it says congratulations, you can get $200 an hour by just watching these videos. $200 an hour. When you convert it to South African rent, is 3,000 plus. So you can even pay rent by just watching videos. Now I just want to show you guys these apps are really working. So as you guys can see right over here, I just earned my $200. You only won $200. Want to try again? So I made a screenshot to show you guys exactly that this thing is possible. And then right over here is a screenshot whereby I was just watching this video. This video was just 1 minute long. 1 minute long. So I've watched multiple games to earn that $200. I didn't just watch videos. I watched, I don't know, but I can say maybe a minimum of 40 videos. But I wasn't really on my phone. So I did let my phone just doing anything in the house. So I was doing anything in the house while the videos was playing out. When I come back, I got my $200. It was very unbelievable, but it is possible. And then thereafter, this is my balance, my current balance. I have $66. So all I need to do is to make sure that I withdraw. As you guys can see, there's a button to withdraw. So all I have to do is to press the button to withdraw using my PayPal. So they are using PayPal to withdraw. So you can't use your own bank account in South Africa. You need to have your PayPal so that you can withdraw your money. Another way on how to make money using this app is simply by reading news. All you need to do is to read news or article, if I may say. So number one, they say read news of your interest. So you need to choose the news that you are interested in. If you are interested in sports, you need to choose sports. If you are interested in maybe political, you need to choose political. Whatever you are interested in, so that you can enjoy it while gaining information and making some extra cash. And then thereafter, number two is say, and for every article you read. So meaning that each and every article that you are going to read, you are going to earn some money. So every article counts for its own cash. And then number three, it say get informed and earn money, meaning that you're still going to educate yourself by just earning money. And then down below it says continue. All you have to do is to press continue. Once you press continue, this is the page that you are going to land on. As you guys can see that I'm in South Africa, that's why you see a South African news, because I read South African news, what's happening around my country. So if you guys can check, it say inside reveal government hidden agenda. So I did read that article, and then thereafter another article, it says will corrupt ever end. Then I did read that article. So you need to choose the article that you are interested in. If you guys can check, there's a health, there's a sports, there's a technology, there's a entertainment, there's a lifestyle, there's a fashion, there's a travel, there's a parenting, there's a relationship, there's finance, there's music. Like there's a lot of articles that you can choose and then read it while you are earning cash. If you guys still remember, I did say there are three categories. We have high paying outs, we have quick payouts, and also we have easy payout. So I spoke about high payouts, which is playing games, offers, deal surveys. And then I did spoke about quick payout, which is videos and news. And then now we're just going to go for easy payout. These ones are going to pay you a little portion amount of money or a little bit of points. That then we need to speak about it, because those are the simple things that you can do and earn some cash. If you go to easy payouts, you can see that we have install wages, we have Twitter, we have ad names, we have birthday, we have ad agenda, we have music preference. Like we have a small things that you can do by just earning some points or extra cash, but a little bit. This is not much, but it can add up to make it be much. One of the things that I like to do when it comes to easy payout is by earning some points by just charging my phone. So if you go to charging your phone, you are going to land on this page whereby it says and with charge screen. So down below, we have three things that you need to be aware of, which is enable charging screen below. So you need to make sure your enable charging screen is on. And then they say tap the button below to enable permission for charge screen, which is the button down below where it says tap to enable. But then let's check number two. Number two, it says start charging. Once charge screen is enabled, simply charge your phone to earn passively. So once you made it be on, every time when you charge your phone, is going to activate and earn you some extra points or cash. And then number three, it says earn charging bonuses. Complete missions from any plan to earn a bonus from charging your phone. By just charging your phone, you can earn points, you can earn some extra cash, and then they can give you bonus. Another easy pure that I like to do is earn with lock screen. So once you lock your screen, you're going to get some points. So let's check three things that you need to be aware of before you enable your lock screen. So number one is say enable lock screen below. Tap the button below to enable permission for lock screen. And then number two, it says lock your phone to start earning. Once lock your screen is enabled, simply lock your phone to earn passively. And then number three, say earn lock screen bonuses. Complete missions from any plan to earn a bonus from locking screen. So it's the very same thing as charging. So the only difference is that this time around you're just locking your own screen. So all you need to do is to tap down below where it says tap to enable. That's when you're going to earn some income. And then another way is to leave the review of this app. You are going to earn money by just leaving the review from this app. As you guys can see that down below it say give us a feedback. So all you need to do is to click right there, give them a feedback, and then earn some extra points. And then another way is a Twitter. All you need to do is to follow them on Twitter to earn some extra points. And then thereafter, one of the best way to make money using this app is to invite friends. When we invite friends to use this app by using your different link, you are going to earn up to $2.50 now and 3% for life. I don't understand the fact that they are saying 3% for life, but then you can earn a $2.50. This is the highest invite friend app that gives you a lot of money. Majority of apps gives you 0.50 or $1. This one gives you 2.50. So all you need to do is to make sure that you hit the link on the description so that you can download this video. Once you use my link, you are going to get more offers than the usual one that you are going to download it or go to the Play Store to install it. So use my link down below to make sure that you get the offers that I'm getting. So if you don't use it and go straight, you might not get the offers that I'm getting, and then you come back and say maybe it doesn't work out or something. Click on the link down below to get bonuses, to get more offers. All you have to do is to make sure that you click on the link on the description. So if you watch this video up until the end, I know that I made this video long, but if you watch this video, please comment down below next app. I will know that you watched this video up until the end, and I'm going to give away some cash to a random people who will watch my video up until the end. Please make sure that you subscribe, like, and also comment down below. Like I said, comment next app, and also don't forget to put your notification bell so that when I drop again, you get notified to be able to know what's happening when it comes to making money online, because that's what I'm sharing on my YouTube channel. So right now, as you guys can see on the screen, there are videos. Click one of those videos. I will see you on that video.